We've done it! We've built a beach buggy and we're at the beach. Look at it in its natural environment. This is what the Beetle was designed for. Right, let's get the tables out, get the surfboard out and have some fun. Now, of all the silly projects I've done, this has to potentially be the most daft yet. And in a weird way, slightly unnecessary, because I could have probably just put the surfboard on the roof rack, but that wouldn't be fun, would it? Look at that! Somewhere to hang your wetsuit and towel. I've searched high and low for that on my camper van over the years. And these, they're really comfy chairs actually, made out of the same decking from the pickup truck. Somewhere to put your drink, somewhere to put your cool box, somewhere to put your surfboard. Nowhere to put spare people actually. The back seats are missing, which is a bit of a hindrance, but I love it. But it is slightly daft. The off-road tyres, I was very fortunate. It already had a lift kit and the wheel spacers, that helps. But removing the boot, smashing those back windows, whilst that wasn't a nice process, I think was well worth it. The bulkhead, that was hard work. I had a free bulkhead out of my van, but making a van bulkhead fit into a car hasn't been done before for a very good reason. It's really, really, really hard, even with Bobby's help. There's only one way to really enjoy a surf wagon though, isn't there? And that is to go in the sea surfing. You need a surfboard for surfing? Done it. We've converted a Beetle into a beach buggy and we're at the beach. I'd like to stay here all night, but unfortunately we've got to get back to the workshop. We've got a caravan to build, haven't we?